Welcome to Kids Education Channel. Today we learn about daily routine sentences.
Read a book. I read a book. I draw flower on paper. I draw flower on paper. Drink milk. I drink milk. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I wash my clothes in machine. I wash my clothes in machine. I fold my dress. I fold my dress. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I cut my nails. I cut my nails. I tie my shoelaces. I tie my shoelaces. I make my bed. I make my bed. I help others. I help others. I enjoy in park. I enjoy in park. I run fast. I run fast. I play on swing. I play on swing. I comb my hairs. I comb my hairs. Thanks for watching Kids Education video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share.